My question to you today is, what is a product you would find in your carpet and in your handbag? I'll say that again. What would you find in a lady's handbag and in a wool carpet? What you will find in there is what's called lanolin. Wool has naturally got oils in it, and that is when it grows on the sheep, the oils from the skin get present in the wool. And interestingly enough, that lanolin is used to make makeup. It's used to make lipsticks and all other sorts of makeup. And the lanolin is also a very important factor once the carpet is made to help that carpet stay cleaner for longer. Recently at Art of Clean, I've taken an interesting call from a very well-educated client. She's been out to a flooring shop that told her to be very careful when she chooses a floor care company, because they can easily remove that lanolin from the carpet and then the carpet will get dirty very quickly. Now, of course, many of us have heard over the years that once you have your carpet cleaned once, you would need to come back and get it cleaned on a very regular basis, so keep it as long as possible not cleaned, otherwise you might have to have it cleaned very regularly. In this case, the interesting idea was that the lanolin gets removed, and that's why the carpet will get dirty quickly. And of course, to a certain degree, that's very true. We here at Art of Clean have been proud members of the Wool Safe organization, and we train to their very high standards to care for wool carpets in the correct way. The safe pH range for cleaning a wool carpet with the right cleaning solutions is between 4.5 and 8.5 pH. That means those products are safe not to remove that lanolin and also protect the carpet in the process while we remove marks and stains and dirt from the carpet. So if you are looking for having your carpets cleaned, my advice would be to find a Wool Safe approved carpet cleaner so that they use the correct products on your carpet in the process, not removing any of that natural protective coatings to the carpets, especially if it's a wool carpet. And then we can also apply a fresh coating to it, which is called stain guard or stain protector, so the carpet can stay cleaner for longer. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at Cambridge 01223 863 632. Thanks for your time.